Hi, superstars! It's another palm oil week. You are welcome. Okay, so today I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria with reference to Akwa Ibom State, Oyo. Okay, I'll be telling you the current trends, what's happening in palm oil business in Nigeria, including the current price of jerry cans for 25 liters and the current price of palm oil in Akwa Ibom State with you. All right, so for people who are in palm oil business, palm oil storage business, please invite them to get here. All right, let's talk about what's happening in palm oil business. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we are gradually approaching that time of the year where palm oil starts cycling out. The availability of palm oil is gradually going. Rain is beginning to fall. All right, has it rained in your state? All right, so in Akwa Ibom State, Oyo, it has started raining, and once it starts raining, it marks the gradual end of palm oil storage season. Okay, it marks an end to the availability of palm oil. Palm oil starts getting scanty, and with time, it becomes scarce. All right, well, during the dry season, it marks the beginning of palm oil. Palm oil starts setting in and all that. So, right now, we are in that time of the year where palm oil starts getting scarce. All right, so for those who were waiting to store palm oil, we are cycling out. Yes, so if you didn't store palm oil, it's best you don't wait again. Okay, in our last video, we had agreed that due to the price of palm oil, because I started seeing signs that palm oil may not drop in price, we had come to an agreement that those who want to store can go ahead and buy some and store and wait and watch the market. Okay, so if you're still skeptical that it will drop, at least buy some and keep so you don't lose out completely. Rains have fallen heavily in Akwa Ibom State lately, and before you know it, the palm trees will become slippery. Farmers won't be able to climb up palm trees and harvest palm fruits. So those things reduce the quantity of palm oil gradually. Only people who have the guts, okay, go ahead to climb palm trees and then harvest palm fruits. But gradually, as it is becoming scarce. All right, so let's talk about the price of jerrycans. The price of jerrycans in Akwa Ibom State today is 5,200 naira for new jerrycans, 25 liters new jerrycans. Please, I do not do old jerrycans. If you want me to put oil in old jerrycans for you, one, it should be that you buy it and then send it to me. If you send it to me, whatever happens to that jerry can, you will be solely responsible. And for those who had used jerry cans, they used it last year and it's still in excellent condition. You want to put palm oil in it, please feel free. You can send it to me, but before sending it, please ensure that the old palm oil is not bad. The jerry can is not doesn't have a foul odor, because the same way you send it to me is the same way I'll pour oil into it. Please, I won't have time to start washing jerry cans for people and then drying it before sending it to you. So before sending it, please ensure that the jerry can is perfect. There's no foul palm oil in it. There's no rotten palm oil in it, okay? So that whatever I pour in will be of excellent taste, aroma, and of good condition for you till it gets to your location. Okay, my superstars. All right. Okay, so that brings me now to palm oil. All right, so usually palm oil reduces to 20s in the course of the year, but this year we have waited and waited and waited, and palm oil has refused to drop. Okay, it has cycled between 30s and 40s, 30s and 40s. All right, so this year palm oil is not smiling. So even if you're a consumer, I would strongly recommend you buy palm oil for your personal consumption, because the price of palm oil in its season of scarcity this year is going to shock a lot of people. Palm oil this year is going to shock a lot of people. So if you want to, you can buy for your personal consumption. Buy it and keep, so that in a season of scarcity, you'll be enjoying yourself. Okay, my superstars, it's going to be so high, except some external factors or other factors set in, which I had mentioned in other videos. Okay, if those factors set in, then the price of palm oil could like drop. But if it doesn't happen, then the price of palm oil this year is going to be on the high side. So even if you're not storing, even if you're not selling, buy it and keep for your personal use. Okay, my superstars. All right. So the price of palm oil for 25 liters today in Akwa Ibom State, oil only, is 40,000 naira. 40,000 naira for freshly milled palm oil. The price of empty jerrycans is 5,200, and the price of logistics depends on your location. So for those who need help with getting good palm oil, you can always reach out to me or send me a DM, and then I'll help you get it and send it to you in your location. Okay, my superstars. All right, if you have any question, please feel free, leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. All right, thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Nevertheless, I'll keep dropping updates here, and should a miracle happen and the price drops, I'll run down here and inform you. All right, my superstars, so keep looking out and let's not keep lose hope. Let's keep hope alive that something will happen. But I had suggested in one of our videos that you can buy half and keep while watching the market, so you don't lose out completely. All right, my superstars. Okay, thank you. Have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.